Okay, on to a question from CAT 2017 slot 2. Slightly long question, should take a little longer, so I'm giving myself 90 seconds. I don't want to change the title over here. Alright, so it's not just about proving to you that, 60 seconds you can do every question. Some of them will take a little longer, right? So let's start the time and let's try to do this now. Now consider three mixtures, the first having water and liquid A, the ratio 1:2, second water and liquid B in 1:3, and third C in the ratio 1:4. The totals are 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, but it's mixed in the ratio 4:3:2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so how do we do that? I want it to be a multiple of 5. So 40, 30, 20. Now I want it to be a multiple of 3 as well. So 3 4s are 12, right? So 120, then this is 90 and this is 60, right? So water and A, B, C and the total over here. So the total is going to be 120, 90 and 60, right? For the three of them, 120 the ratio of 1:2, that's going to be 40 and 80, okay? 90 over here on the ratio of 1:3. It's not perfectly divisible, 4 parts is, you divide, you get a 4500, 22.5, okay? The rest is 67.5. 1:4 over here, and that's going to be a 12 and a 48. And we probably have to add these. We 4, 2 and 1, that's 74.5. You get an 80, 67.5 and a 48 because the comparisons are made here. Same amount of water and liquid B, no. What amount of liquids B and C? No. More water than liquid B, more water than liquid B, yes. More water than liquid A, not the case. A is at 80. So that's the answer for this question, right? So what did I do over here? I decided not to use variables, right? Best way to go about is to assume a value which is going to be friendly and easy, right? What was the logic behind this? The total is going to be 3 parts, right? Then I can split it in the ratio 1:2. But here in this ratio, it's given to me as 4:3:2. I can assume a value. I want it to be a 3 multiple. Now, for the last one, 1:4, I want it to be a 5 multiple. Easiest 5 multiple is to put a 0. So I made it a 120. Then the 3 parts becomes 90. 2 parts becomes 60. Right? 120 is to 90, 60 is 4:3:2. Now those are the total volumes, right, of each of these. Now you divide 120 the ratio 1:2, water and A. 90 over here in the ratio 1:3. I wanted to be a 4 multiple, probably should have multiplied these with 2, but I decided to continue, right? So 90 by 4 is 45 by 2, which is 22.5. The remaining is 67.5. That's under B. And for C, it's 1:4, 12 and 48. Just add these up, yeah, and just work with the options and see as to which one is the answer. You definitely know the same amount is not possible because all of them are different. More water than liquid B or more water than liquid A. The answer is more water than liquid B.